Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Betway. So let's get started right away. Now if you log out from the Betway application from within, you might notice that some of your login information is still saved. So in order to prevent this and log out completely, long press on the Betway game and then tap on the info button. This will then take you into the application info page for Betway. First of all, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application. Tap on OK and the application will be stopped. Scroll down and then tap on storage, and now you will see the clear data button. Tap on this button and tap on delete, and now this will clear all of your user data from the Betway application, which means that you will now be completely logged out. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from the Betway application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.